This bit is give it like.
We're nipping in past Tom Anderson's in Albion. Dad needs a new sprocket. Oh, Chutney's here. What's he doing here?
What bike's that? That's his name, KTM. That my spare bike.
This bit is give it like.
I reckon what you're talking about.
This doesn't look like a gas gas. Same colour, but I think we got the wrong brand.
Oh, okay. What are you?
What made you go for the Honda?
Just a change. Parking's different in a KTM, so none of my stuff's going to be the same.
That's true.
I'll take it a wagon. First time I've been a walk a KTM since about 2003.
Look at the track today. Sun's out and everything. Hello, Chutney.
Hello.
You getting ready to go out?
Are you looking at my baldy head?
Where's the way? Getting ready to go out?
Aye.
First time. Excited?
Nah, need a pee. I think I'll do biggie.
Hello there.
Hello.
How was that?
Good fun.
Good fun.
Yeah, a wee bit wetter than I thought.
But what? I thought you were saying you were hoping it was going to be dry.
Yeah.
Not so dry.
No, it's okay.
Good.
Yeah.
Good. Good.
John will be night yet?
No, he's going out with the little ones.
Is he?
Yeah.
He does know that his bike's a 250, it's still classed an adult. It's not an 85.
Yeah, he asked because he's just running it in apparently.
Oh!
Hello.
How are we doing?
Good, how are you?
I'll do my father. You've gone red. You're going to red with the face.
What do you think of that then?
What happens now? Do we all hate to get one? Or what happens? I'm already red, eh? So.
That's you're all getting them, aye.
Ryan, what's your thoughts on Dad and Chutney going Honda?
Well, first thing is they're both on 250s.
Yeah.
So, well, Chutney's slower than Dad, so Chutney's slower his. So
What do you think of it? Do you like the KTM better or the Honda?
I like the KTM and the Honda.
Yeah, which one's your favourite though? Once you've seen Dad practice on both of them before, which one's been your favourite? Watch.
Probably the 250 Honda.
The Honda. Is orange still your favourite colour, or have you gone red now? Because
Red and orange.
I see we've got some red here. Oh, but we've got the orange boots, so we're being controversial, I see. Oh, there we are. We're being controversial. Oh.
So my thoughts are both of them go race next weekend and yeah, see what's going to happen then. So what's your thoughts on the 250 Honda then?
250 Honda. It's okay. Quite enjoyed it.
How was that podcast you did? I fell off a lot of times.
How's the Honda overall?
Well, the Honda's fine. It just, like I said to Ryan, it'll take a minute to get used to. It's getting used to it every lap. Just
Breaking it in.
that's it.
You need to get a different stand though, that doesn't match.
I know. A tin of red spray paint. Have you spoke to Mr. Mark Mason Factory Racing today?
No.
Well, we'll go in and hear a word with him.
Let's go.
Let's go in and hear a word with him.
Probably did, yeah. Line on the gun.
No, I don't.
The object of the game was to fall off the bike as many times as you can during that time. I would win every time. That would be amazing.
We'll maybe make up.
I think we should change the rules.
Are you racing it? Are you joining Riney this year?
Yeah.
So you're doing a full championship.
But hopefully.
So we'll maybe have to mark up a trophy.
Race crash.
Well, the most crashes. Are you going to be watching the Supercross tonight?
I don't think so.
You don't think so?
I don't have Sky TV.
You don't have Sky TV.
We're watching it tomorrow morning.
Don't you? Tell me, what part of America are you from? Are you from Tennessee?
No, I'm from Texas.
Texas.
I'm Texas.
That's where the big
Texas through and through.
Texas through.
I love Texas. I would love to be from Texas. I think I would suit Texas.
Would you like to give him some sponsorship money?
Yeah.
You could just turn up at Lucher's next weekend.
I could do with a new van and a new bike and a new
Yeah.
house. Yeah. Just simple stuff like that.
Now then, how was that?
Now, got your coves. That's alright. Done and dusted for the day in a Honda.
Yeah.
You get used to saying that, like.
So, how was your first experience?
It was alright, I have to say. Getting used to it. Lap by lap. I feel like the conditions are not the easiest today, I have to say. So, aye, for what they are, I did fine. I'm happy.
Yes.
Never thought about suspension all day, which is a first.
Really?
we'll see how we get on next weekend. Remember, like and subscribe. See you the next time. Toodaloo.